back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about this new product from Dior. It's a liquid mono eyeshadow from the 2020 collection, so this product is out now in stores, and I'm wearing it now on my eyelids, so there is a second part of the video where I apply it. I will compare it also to Armani liquid eyeshadow that I bought previously, so I don't know if you are interested also in this kind of product. Maybe I will review soon, so let me know. If you like, you can subscribe also to my channel so you won't miss my next video. This liquid mono eyeshadow is the color number 80 and is Fireworks. Color was the first thing that impressed me so much, and then it's a sparkling effect that is very fine and extremely elegant in my opinion. So perfect for the holiday. So now let's see how it works applied on the eyelids. Let's start saying that there are 4 different shades of these liquid eyeshadows, and there is a silver, a gold, a copper, and this one that I bought that is a pink, a silver pink. This product is supposed to be an eyeshadow and also an eyeliner, because you can build this color and it's extremely weightless, so it's a very new formula. At first I was a little bit uncertain to buy it, even if the color was extremely beautiful, as you can see, but I try to avoid those kinds of products that are with a cool effect on my eyelid, because my eyes are quite sensitive in a way, and I knew that Dior made several products with cool effect in liquid eyeshadow, and I asked if those one have this kind of effect, and they've not, so I bought it. At first application I felt like a little bit of icy effect, alcohol that made this that made me feel this coolness on my eyes. I think that's why this product is supposed to be so weightless, because it evaporates and stains on your lids. So this is the applicator, as you can see, and you can apply directly on your eyelid or using also like an eyeliner, because it's quite fine. I mean, you need a brush to apply as a liner, but you can also do the final wing, I mean. And I love to apply it with my finger at first. I make you see the swatch of the color, and it's very luminous, but also, yes, I have to say weightless, because it gives you that sparkling effect, but also it can be used as a base for, and I use it also as a top on my eyeshadow. So I make you see now alone, and I apply it first with the applicator directly on the eyelid, bare eyelid, except for a shadow I put in the socket line. I feel the coolness on my lid now, but yes, I think it's the alcohol in it, maybe, or maybe not, but you can see it really dries quickly. This is the first layer. I took the product on the back of my hand and I apply it directly with my fingers the application is quite similar. I mean, you have a little bit of a fuller effect with your fingers. You can also use it to go straightly direct on a point, for example the inner corner, like this, and then you pat a little bit to highlight the inner corner. Just a little bit because it's very sparkly. And then you can intensify the effect just patting, maybe also towards the center. And then just let it fade away with your fingers. So the color is very nice. You can use it in a very different way. You can use it also over another eyeshadow to give this extreme sparkling effect. The texture is really light, so it's very buildable. I mean, once you put it on your eyelids, as you can see, it dries very quickly. It doesn't move. With dark matte lips, I think this eyeshadow really works well. So I have also Armani, and this Dior Mono eyeshadow is very different, in my opinion, from Armani formula. So if you have this one, this eyeshadow will look different. Maybe the color, the pearly effect is quite similar in a way because they are so luminous, but this is more similar to a cream eyeshadow with a liquid formula. I don't know if the payoff of the other colors are different, but this one in particular, it's a very extra effect. So you give it a base and with sparkling, shine, wet effect on your lids. So it's more than a base, in my opinion. It's more about an extra effect you can achieve with this kind of eyeshadow. So this is a very quick review about this product, but I know that it's out now and maybe you are curious about it. So if you're interested, have a look. I have also a video about 2020 palette, the colorful one palette from Dior, so check it on my YouTube channel. I hope this video could be helpful for you. If it's so, don't forget to subscribe and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!